Okay, Claire's got us down here in Dawsonville, Georgia, in the middle of nowhere, and we are going to take a walk of this property. Claire and I are interested in buying lots and developing property. Something in the 1,500 to 2,000 square foot range. Always a range, always a master on Main because they sell better, they rent better. This ends up being a pretty nice floor plan. It's about 90% there. Let's go take a look. So things we like entering in, we wish there was some particular, formal foyer right there, but it's not a big deal. You're not really going to get that in a house this size. You do have a nice little area for a formal dining room if you did want to add it there. But look at this living room, nice open floor plan. One of the things that places don't necessarily get with a floor plan this particular size square footage is that open floor concept. And you can see here with the kitchen, you're getting that nice open floor concept. A little bit of area for a kitchen nook table, but look at that kitchen, completely updated with all the new sort of hip colors and all that kind of good stuff. One thing really like is from the garage, you're getting the wet room, the washer and dryer right inside. So if you're coming in with dirty clothes or whatever, this is probably going to be your main access point entering and exiting the property. And you can just throw your dirty laundry, or you're not tracking all that mud or anything in directly to the house. So walking right into the kitchen, again, a little bit of open concept. You could still sit here and do dishes or whatever and, watch TV, spend time with the family. Just off to the right side, split in that the kids' rooms or the two bedrooms for guests are down a hall, both sharing this bathroom down over there, which is a pretty nice setup. And split from that, you always want to have that master on the other side of the house. So that way mom and dad can have a little bit of privacy away from the kids. So going to the master, a little bit of a weird spot here. There's this little cove. I'm not quite sure what you would do with this space, but decent sized room. Probably would take out this closet right there. There's no need for that. To open this room up a little bit more, make it more of a square, looking out to the back. Decent sized backyard, all fenced in. The bathrooms could use a little bit of work as far as the overall design. I mean, that's fine. Double sinks here. And then the kitchen, the tub and the shower. You could have opened up the shower and did a frameless enclosure over the tub, would make it look a lot better. But closets, if you watch any of my videos, you know that I love closets with windows in the front of the house. I don't know why. I just love the lightness in the closet. So the bathroom.